In 2019, we embarked on a mission to reconnect our children with their roots. We started small, teaching our own kids where their meals come from, right from the source. But soon, our passion blossomed into something much bigger. By 2021, we were proud to extend our educational programs to charter schools across California. With over 3,000 courses delivered, we brought the wonders of hydroponic gardening into the classroom, sparking curiosity and excitement among students of all ages. And now, in 2024, we've spread our roots even further, launching our after-school enrichment programs. Over the course of the semester, students will embrace the gardening journey, from planting to growing to enjoying the fruits of their labor, all while touching on subjects such as biology, nutrition, and environmental studies. At our core, we believe in empowering the next generation with the knowledge and skills to sustainably grow their own food. Because we know that when children understand the journey from seed to plate, they develop a deeper connection to the food they eat and the world around them. Join us on this journey of growth and discovery. Together, let's help cultivate a brighter, greener future for the next generation and for our planet. Contact us today to bring the joy of gardening to a classroom near you.